Is your company's network fast enough to keep up with today's high-performance demands? Will your enterprise network be able to deal with the exponentially growing network traffic demands of tomorrow? Well, if your network is too slow, then you'll be excited to hear from our next guest, Dr. John Lockwood. He's CEO of Algo-Logic Systems, a company that's a pioneer and recognized leader in something called Gateway-Defined Networking, GDN technology, that substantially accelerates enterprise networks. And he joins us now to discuss how Algo-Logic maps algorithms into logic. Dr. Lockwood, before we get into what gateway-defined networking is, what are the kinds of problems that many companies' enterprise networks face?
Current networks are too slow, and network traffic is growing. For example, home users have gone from modems to DSL, enterprise networks have gone from 100 megabit to gigabit Ethernet, and data centers are going from gigabit Ethernet to 100 gigabit Ethernet. Packet networks are used everywhere. They provide internet services for laptops, tablets, and mobile phones. And on the enterprise, they're used for internet search, stock trading, and sensor fusion. So current network systems don't keep up with growing traffic, and software-based systems have unacceptable latency and jitter.
What is gateway-defined networking, GDN, and how does it solve these problems and improve performance?
So gateware is like software, except that it runs on a special type of silicon called field programmable gate arrays. Gateway-defined networking is like software-defined networking, except that it uses FPGAs to process packets rather than software to provide deterministic latency and high throughput. So Algo-Logic's proprietary GDN technology is the glue or the secret sauce applied between the hardware and the software that accelerates networks and solves these network performance challenges.
What are Algo-Logic's products, and what kind of problems can Algo-Logic's solutions help companies avoid?
Algo-Logic has three main product lines: accelerated finance, search engines, and asset management. In accelerated finance, our pre-trade risk check solutions are deployed worldwide in all of the major stock markets. They're used every day to avoid another flash crash like the one that occurred on May 6, 2010, when the U.S. markets dropped by 600 points in just 5 minutes. With Algo-Logic's GDN solutions in place, erroneous trades are blocked before they reach the market. In data centers, our search engines perform 150 million searches per second by offloading the lookup functions to FPGA hardware. They substantially accelerate SDN for internet service providers, host service providers, and telecom providers.
Well, finally, Dr. Lockwood, what are some of the growing trends out there that will benefit from the adoption of GDN solutions?
Our three diversified product lines cumulatively target a huge $100 billion total available market. For example, the fastest growing software-defined network market is projected to grow to $35 billion by 2018. The IT spend for big data is projected to grow to $50 billion by 2016. And finally, our accelerated finance solutions provide high-frequency traders with the fastest tick-to-trade solutions in industry.
Well, this is huge news for those who need low latency. Dr. Lockwood, thanks for coming on the program today.
Thanks. Glad to be here.
For more information, you can visit Algo-Logic Systems on the web at algo-logic.com. That's ALGO-LOGIC.com.